video is, Champ Von Champ burps in class / grounded.
Okay class. Today we'll be learning about Las Vegas. Champ Von Champ, was that you who just burped?
Yes, I did.
That's it. Go to Mark Burnett's office right now.
So Champ Von Champ, why are you here?
I burped in class.
Oh. Champ Von Champ. How dare you burp in class? That is very rude of you. That's it. You are suspended for 59 weeks. Go home now.
Yeah.
Champ Von Champ, how dare you burp in class? That's it. You're grounded for 59 weeks.
Go to your room right now.
The next video is Arthur Wright's Rest of Poop Sip / Grounded.